Good evening. This task of this next program is to draw this face of a clock that has the turtles. There are 12 of them, and it's important to notice that this angle is congruent to all the other 12 angles, and to find the measure of that angle we could divide 360 degrees, which is the degrees in an entire circle, by 12, and that comes to 30 degrees. So that's a significant angle value that we're going to need. My equation, or I'm sorry, my program starts with this, where we import the turtle, set up the screen, and call the turtle Terp Daddy. It's going to have a shape of a turtle. That's what makes this blue turtle stamp shape there. And a big part of that is we're going to give it a pen size of 5, background color light green, and the color of the turtle's blue. And we're also going to have it stamp. And so as it's in its first position, we're going to ask it to make this stamp right here. We can put a for loop for the rest of it, and that will happen 12 times. So we can give it a range of 12. And so we can set that up so it'll go from 0 to 11. And each time it does that, we ask it to bring the pen up and go forward 80 units. And what that does is it brings it 80 units without drawing a line. Now we ask it to bring the pen down and draw a segment or a small dash 5 units long. And that's what makes these dashes near the turtles. We'd like it to go forward now 15 units and then stamp again. So that's what makes each of these turtles stamp on the outside. And then we'd ask it to go back to the center. So we bring it negative 100 feet, or negative 100 units back to the center. And then we talk about we turn it to the right, the aforementioned 30 degrees. So that's going to rotate Terp Daddy by 1/12 of 360 degrees. So we're going to run that, see how that works. And here is our Terp Daddy has made a clock that's completely resembling the one that's in the book, and so it looks like it went okay. Thanks for listening.